future of farming is here, and it's orange. The 2026 Kubota M Series tractor brings together cutting-edge technology, rugged reliability, and the legendary performance that Kubota is known for. Whether you're a seasoned farmer or just stepping into agricultural life, this machine is designed to make your work smoother, faster, and more efficient. Let's take a ride into what makes the 2026 M Series one of the most anticipated tractors on the market. From the moment you approach it, the M Series commands attention. The newly redesigned chassis is more muscular, with sleek contours and integrated lighting that not only improves visibility but adds a bold aesthetic. The LED headlights with automatic dusk sensors give it a futuristic look and practical benefits during late-night fieldwork or early morning starts. Built with reinforced high-tensile steel, the M Series frame can handle the toughest jobs without compromise. Pop open the hood, and you're greeted with the next-generation Kubota clean diesel engine, now meeting the latest Tier 5 emission standards while delivering more horsepower and torque than ever. The 2026 models are available in multiple configurations, ranging from 100 to 170 horsepower, all with turbocharged powerplants designed for low-end torque and high-efficiency fuel consumption. The new engine mapping system adapts to terrain and load conditions in real time, which means less fuel waste and maximum pulling power when you need it. It's an intelligent power plant built for smart agriculture. The transmission system has seen a major upgrade too. With a new 32-speed IntelliShift transmission, you get seamless shifting, automatic gear optimization, and hill hold assist for better control on slopes. Whether you're plowing, hauling, or transporting loads across uneven terrain, the M Series adapts with smooth, responsive transitions that keep you focused on the job, not the machine. The electronically controlled hydraulic system has also seen a leap forward. Now featuring a fully integrated load sensing pump, it delivers power only when needed, conserving energy and reducing heat. With up to 5 rear remotes and 2 mid-mount valves, you can run multiple attachments simultaneously without performance drops. From balers and mowers to loaders and seeders, the M Series handles them all with ease. Let's talk comfort, because Kubota knows that productivity starts with the operator. Step into the newly designed cab and it's like entering a high-end SUV. The 2026 M Series boasts a larger, quieter cab with panoramic visibility, improved insulation, and a climate control system that responds to both temperature and humidity. The air suspension seat automatically adjusts to the driver's weight, and there's now an integrated armrest command center with a 12-inch touchscreen display. From this single interface, you can control GPS mapping, field data logging, implement management, and even monitor real-time engine diagnostics. The new AutoGuide Pro system integrates satellite-based steering correction with field data history, helping you plant and harvest with sub-inch precision. The M Series is also fully compatible with Kubota's Smart Farm platform, so you can sync data across your equipment, track productivity, and get predictive maintenance alerts before problems arise. For those managing large operations, the 2026 model now offers remote diagnostics and firmware updates via 4G LTE or Wi-Fi, so your dealer can support your tractor without a physical visit. It's farming, connected like never before. Safety hasn't been overlooked either. The M Series features a 360-degree camera system with proximity alerts to help avoid accidents around people, animals, and structures. The cab is now ROPS certified and reinforced to meet international safety standards, and you have the option to add operator presence sensors, which prevent unintended movement if the seat is unoccupied. Even the PTO engagement system now includes a triple check protocol, so attachments don't start up accidentally. Maintenance is simpler than ever. The hood opens with a gas assist strut, exposing color-coded service points for quick daily checks. There's a new tool-free air filter access, and the battery compartment slides out for easier replacement. Oil change intervals have been extended, and the onboard diagnostics system will remind you when it's time to service or top up fluids. This means less downtime and more hours in the field. The front loader compatibility has been improved too. The new LA2455 series loader locks in faster with a self-leveling feature and comes with Kubota's Swift Tack system, so you can attach or remove it in under 2 minutes without leaving the cab. It's perfect for those who need to switch between fieldwork and utility tasks frequently. Tire options have also been expanded to meet a variety of conditions, from high-traction ag tires for muddy fields to turf-friendly tires for estate maintenance. Rear axle duals and wide track configurations are also available for those needing additional stability during heavy towing or hillside operations. When it comes to towing, the M Series can now handle up to 20% more drawbar load thanks to improvements in the rear axle assembly and hydraulic downforce. You can pull grain carts, trailers, and even earth movers without pushing the machine to its limits. And the built-in anti-sway linkage system helps prevent jackknifing or trailer sway even at higher speeds. Kubota's commitment to sustainability continues with the 2026 M Series. Not only are emissions significantly reduced, but the entire manufacturing process for this tractor uses 25% more recycled materials and clean energy sources. Even the seat cushions are made from biofoam derived from plant oils. Kubota is investing in the long-term health of the planet while giving you machines that stand the test of time. And finally, let's talk value. With all these enhancements, you might expect the M Series to be priced out of reach, but Kubota continues to focus on delivering premium features at a competitive cost. Plus, their extended warranty and nationwide dealer support network means you're never far from parts, service, or advice. Financing options are also available with low APR and flexible terms to fit any farm budget. So whether you're looking to upgrade your fleet or invest in your first serious machine, the 2026 Kubota M Series tractor is built to deliver, day in, day out, season after season. It's tough, smart, comfortable, and connected. And it's ready to power the future of farming. Thanks for watching, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more in-depth reviews and farming technology updates.